I'll show you how to easily switch accounts on TikTok PC 2025. So this is a detailed step. Step number one, we shall scroll down over here and you can see you need to first come to your profile section and then click on that plus icon. So after doing that, you go ahead and then scroll down over here, and here you're told that you need to come to your profile section, tap the username on that page. Okay. Now, step number two, you can see this is the username over here. Just tap on that as it is illustrated. After doing that, select the account that you want to switch. As you can see, there are a bunch of accounts over here, only two. Choose the one you want to switch. The one with the pink tick is the one you're switching to. Okay. So after choosing the account you want to switch, you just come over here and then choose the drop down menu. Just tap on add account and then create a new TikTok profile and you're good to go. So that's it guys, make sure to like and subscribe. We shall meet.